Hello and welcome to Five Man Garden Pro, your ultimate source of all things gardening. Today we are going to take a closer look at the wonderful world of gardens and see what makes them so special. A garden is a special place where you can grow all kind of plants, whether you have a big yard or just a small balcony. You can have your own little piece of nature right outside your door. Gardening is a fun and rewarding hobby that can be enjoyed by people of all ages. Gardens are filled with all kind of beautiful flowers and they come in many different colors and shapes. Some of the most popular garden flowers include roses, daisies, sunflowers, and tulips. They can be grown in the ground or in pots, and they provide a cheerful and colorful display all year long. When it comes to growing plants in a garden, it's important to have the right kind of container. The most popular type of container is the wooden flower pot. Wooden pots are durable, affordable, and attractive. And they come in many different styles and sizes. So, whether you are looking for a large wooden planter for your yard or a small one for your balcony, you're sure to find just what you need. In addition to flowers, leaves are also an important part of a garden. Leaves are the food factories of plants and they produce food through a process called photosynthesis. They also provide shade and help regulate the temperature of the plants. When leaves turn yellow or brown, it's sign that the plant is no longer producing food and it's time to remove them. So there you have it, the wonderful world of gardens. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or just starting out, there is always something new to learn and discover. So grab your gardening gloves and get outside and start creating your own beautiful garden.